Hi, my name is Diane, and I'm a library technician at the North Vancouver City Library Children's Department. And I'm here today to talk about one of my favorite books, a picture book that was published in 2021, I Am a Bird by Hope Lim. In a seaside community, a young child flies to school on the back of Daddy's bike. Arms stretched wide, the child expresses joy and exclaims, I am a bird, singing an exuberant bird song, caw-caw, caw-caw. The smiling and waving narrator spreads happiness along the way. Hope Lim's simple, heartfelt narration expertly captures the uneasiness children can develop around an adult who seems unfriendly. Haywan Yum's softly textured colored pencil and watercolored illustrations expertly pair with the understated text, and it is beautifully simple, implicit message to create a story that encourages readers to embrace our similarities rather than focus on our differences and to look closer before jumping to conclusions. Kids who have had their own encounters with hard-to-slot adults will appreciate the validation and encouraging outcome. I Am a Bird is available in the Children's Department of the North Vancouver City Library. This picture book is a delightful read, a gentle story about connection that will connect with readers of all ages. True understanding comes from a willingness to look closer. I Am a Bird.